Hey y'all, welcome back to the Creators Corner and welcome to episode 9. If you're new here, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know every time we post another video, which is every single Monday. So don't miss it. All right, so in case you cannot tell by the title, if you can read, you already know what this video is all about. We're going to be talking about the ultimate creator starter kit, the tools, the apps, and the things that I would actually use in 2025 starting out as a content creator. Let's get into it. All right, so for starters, we're going to keep it real, a buck, be 100, all the things, okay? We're going to hold it down and be honest. You do not need a $500, $1,000, $1,200, $1,600, $1,800 camera, okay, to be successful as a content creator in 2025. It's not necessary. So today I'm going to be breaking down the gear, the apps, and the tools that I would actually recommend if you're starting out and if you are currently trying to level up. So let's get into this video. All right, so first things first, the basics, y'all. Your phone, for starters, almost, I ain't gonna say almost everybody, because then non-iPhone users gonna get me, but everybody got a phone with a camera. I'm just saying, that's the basics. You got a working phone, you have a working camera. Use this right here. This is a free resource in your hand. Use it, okay? You do not need those big old cameras. Your phone is probably one of the most powerful tools that you can use starting out. That way, all you have to do is focus on good lighting. Literally, go outside. Sit in front of a window. Figure it out. All you need is good lighting, y'all. And if you can't go outside, if you can't find a good window angle, or you need more control lighting because you don't know how to really work the outside, sometimes, you know, natural light can be a little bit uncontrollable. If the sun going up and down and you just struggling, get you a light, y'all. Just get you a freaking light. It's in my Amazon storefront. I will leave the link below. You can get this on Amazon. You can get this on Temu. You can get this on the TikTok shop. It is in all of my storefronts. I have it in my Temu storefront, have it on my Amazon storefront, and I have it on my TikTok store front page, whatever. Get you a light. $8, $7, something like that. Anywhere between $7 and $9. This little light. And it's chargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries. You just got to charge it when it's necessary. It's adjustable. So I like my light up and down because I've been filming short form, so it's just easier that way. But you can also turn it the long way. It just depends on how you want your lighting. It has multiple different settings. Let me see. Okay. This is like a mixed white light setting. I can make it super, super orange. Y'all can't kind of tell that right there, but I can make it super, super orange. I can make it super, super like white light. Could y'all tell the difference in the orange and then the super white light? And you can make a difference in the brightness. You can turn the brightness up or down. You can dim it if you want to make it brighter, lighter. You can do all of those things with it, okay? So just get you some type of light if you're just using your phone. Do those things, do those two things. Use your phone and just get you a light. I promise you it's going to save you so much money before you go to investing in tech and you're not even consistent or serious yet. Okay. Oh, don't forget, you can get ring lights too. This is cool because I could travel with it. It's small, it's compact, but I would say get a ring light if you plan on like doing any stationary at home consistent filming. But if you on the go and more lifestyle, get you one of these little portables. Yeah. Next up, the editing apps. Okay, this is for starters. For the editing app, y'all, I'm so sad because we did not have CapCut when I first started. I first started on YouTube using freaking Adobe Premiere in like 2013. It was not good. I'm going to keep it a buck. It was very hard. It was very difficult. It was ugly. I didn't like it, but I did what I had to do. But we got things like CapCut. Yes, CapCut. Use the free version. You don't need the standard. You don't need the pro. Use the free starter CapCut membership. Okay? Use the free one. Also, TikTok has some little templates on there, as well as like some little, or not TikTok, but CapCut has like TikTok and IG templates in its app already. Use the freaking templates that they give you. I'm just saying. Okay. Next up is going to be Canva. Canva is really what's going to help you with your branding and your aesthetic. This is great for like really clean cut text and templates, to really just showcase what the video will be. Majority of my video templates or my video thumbnails are Canva templates, but also a like customized mixture of things that I like to put in it or edit, or fonts that I like to have, and I create and make those in Photoshop and put them onto my Canva templates. So yeah. Next up, if you're on YouTube, a lot of people use DaVinci Resolve. I heard it's a really, really strong powerhouse. I don't use DaVinci. I don't know nothing about that. It's not my world or forte. But yeah, so that's what I would recommend for my starters. Make sure that you're using your phone. Make sure you have a light. Use your CapCut and use your Canva. Use those 2 free versions of those tools. And last but not least, make sure y'all get y'all a tripod. Tripods can be anywhere from $6 to maybe about $14, I would say, is what you need to spend as a starter, as a beginner creating content. Don't go buying them heavy duty, real expensive, real big pop out old tripods. Baby, we don't need that. Don't do that. Put it down. Put it back. Put it back. Okay, got it? Cool. But these are the things that you'll mainly need. I would also recommend, it's not necessary when you're starting, but I would recommend getting you an external mic just so that you're starting with some type of quality. iPhone does really well. If you're stationary and at home creating content and can kind of control your sound, you don't need an external mic. But if you are out in the bout, if you are filming lifestyle content, I would definitely say get an external mic, because y'all, it be rowdy out there in public. I'm not gonna lie, it'd be hard to hear sometimes. So if you got a mic, if you can get an external mic and that's the type of content you create where you're out and about, get you one. They're not that expensive either. You can get an external little regular plug-in mic. It don't gotta be expensive, just a little bitty little clip-on ones. You can get those again off of Amazon. They're in my storefront. Links will be below. You can get them off of Temu, and you can get them off the TikTok shop. The links will be down below. So get y'all those. I think they may run you, no, they should run you no more than maybe like $15-20. Okay, cool. So that means when we done invested as a starter, Canva, CapCut, free versions only. Okay, our light, no more than about $8. Our microphone, no more than $15 to $20. Our tripod, no more than about $15. Okay, so 15, 20, and 8, you shouldn't be spending no more than $50 to start up as a content creator. Now we're gonna dive just real quick into if you are leveling up. I'm gonna tell y'all some of the things that I use. I got a big old light back here. I can't even tell y'all what it is. I'm gonna post a picture of it right here. My dad is a photographer, so thankfully I did not have to invest this money into this light. But yeah, this is the light that I'm currently using. As y'all see in this video, this is what's lighting me. I also have a RGB power light. I'm going to insert that here as well to highlight me in the back. It's what's kind of turning colors on me, like purple, blues, greens. If y'all can see those little shadows, that's what that is. Camera wise, I have upgraded my cameras pretty consistently. Last year I bought my first big girl vlog camera, which is my Sony ZV-F1. Love her down bad. I have screwed up my bottom of my battery. I just use a rubber band to keep her intact. She still works, but yeah, I transitioned from this because it's big and obnoxious. It's a smaller version than what a lot of people use, but it's a little big and obnoxious. When I go into stores and I've been told, like, you know, in them little Targets, this was before the DEI, before I had to stop going in there, okay? When I would go in there with my little camera thing, they ain't really like that. And they was like, girl, what you doing? Put that camera down or you want to get out the store. You see what I'm saying? Versus when I go in the store with the camera I'm now using, which is what I'm vlogging on, so y'all can't see it, but it's my DJI Pocket Osmo 3, the creator combo. Love this thing down. It's so small, it's so compact, and it's intriguing to people. So when I walk in a store, even with it, nobody really says anything anymore. I don't know, because content creating has just gotten more popular. Like, it's a big thing, of course, worldwide, but I don't feel like it's ever been a really big thing in my city. So when I started going around last year before last with my camera, people was like, what is you doing? Stop doing it. But now it's a bigger thing, and there are more content creators popping out in my city locally. So I feel like it's a lot less like controversy behind it than what it used to be. But when I take my DJI in places, it's so small, it's so compact, and when people see me talking to it, they are like, what is you doing, girl? What are you talking to? We want to see. So people are more curious than like weary. So I love this thing. So I got that, and it comes with the mic. I'm actually planning on investing in the mic that has the 2-piece, because sometimes I am vlogging with other people, doing some collaborations and things like that, and I just want to have a mic. Like if I'm out and about grocery shopping with my sister, I want her to have a mic too, because I need y'all to hear the commentary and the narration behind our day. Like she be saying some wild, crazy things too, and y'all don't get to hear it because I'm the one with the mic on, screaming in the mic in the grocery store. Yeah. So things like that. I haven't really had to upgrade tripods. As I said, I'm fortunate enough, my family does content creation, I guess, so photography, videography, things like that. So we kind of had these things laying around the house. I did buy a specific tripod off of the TikTok shop. I'm going to put it right here. I'm obsessed with it, and I do plan on buying like 2 more of them. One for my Sony, because I'm going to start like doing full-fledged content, y'all. I'm going to be giving y'all everything. I want like different angles. So y'all will be seeing that in the creators corner soon. I'm going to be in the prop my other camera up. So I'm going to be here. I'm going to be here. We're going to have all the angles. I'm super excited. And then I also want another tripod for my phone as well, so that everything is sitting up. I do have these tripods in the house, but I just feel like I need this one. I need the one that I bought again. Yeah. So that's the thing. That's the thing. That's the thing. Anyway, those are a couple things. Some other things I've upgraded is I have a car mount that holds my DJI. I have one that will hold my Sony, one that will hold my phone. And I bought a couple little gadgets that go on my DJI as well, which we'll talk about that in another video. We'll make that its own video. All of the different features and accessories that I bought, because I just bought some more things for my DJI as well. So they will be here soon. But without further ado, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. As you continue to grow, you can add things into your arsenal and into your kits for content creation. So if you're starting out, your tripods, your external mics, if you're already past that phase and you're a little bit more consistent and you have it to invest and you're ready to invest, it ain't even really about, I feel like, financially just having it to invest. It's more so about, are you even consistent enough to be investing in this? Like, don't just be spending money. That's crazy to me. Like, make sure you're going to keep up. Not just the quantity and quality of upgrading, but can you keep up and can you sustain it? Then that's when you upgrade. That just makes sense. So only if your content is already consistent, I would say to be upgrading stuff. So tools, just remember this, tools don't make the creator, consistency and creativity do. The tools don't make the creator. Having a good camera, having a mic will not make you a creator. You being consistent, you being creative, that is what's going to get you there. So let's move on into our homework. So this week's homework, I want you to write down what is included in your starter kit. Okay, so comment below if you are just starting out, what's in there. So what's your phone? Tell me what phone you got. iPhone, what is it? A Pro? Is it what? Is it a Samsung? What you got? All right, do you got a tripod? Is it a ring light? What editing apps are you using? Comment that below. Also comment the top 3 tools you're using starting this week, because we not waiting for what? Yeah. Anyway, hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post another video. And I'll see y'all next Monday. Bye.